Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at ChicnScratch. This is the project we're making today. Isn't it so cute? It's a little tote. Okay, so the following video was filmed live. I have altered it slightly, and you're welcome to fast forward through any parts of the talking. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, so we are using, what are we using? We are using the Dress to Impress bundle. So we're using these two pieces of paper. You could use that side if you prefer. And then we're using this. And then these two. So this is Petal Pink, and Whisper White. Yeah, pretty simple. Now we're not making the traditional bag. So if you already own these dies and you don't want to see this project, I'm altering it slightly. So you might want to stick around. So we are using Dress to Impress, the bundle, and Family Party. This is a fantastic stamp set. Yes, for our family. Put this back over here. So we're going to start with these two pieces of paper and this and this. And we're going to take the dies. So we need this one for the handle, this for the bag, and this. Okay. We're going to start with this one. And I'm just going, now I'm going to tell you already, you could cut this like that, okay? And that would save you some paper. But then you got to line up the other side so that it's exact. So I'm just cutting it out because this paper only has another month, right? Yeah, I have lots of it. Okay. We're going to be trimming it down. So there's the first one. Okay. This is going away. Now we're going to cut out two of these. And that thing has a mind of its own. Oh, I just realized, Margaret, are you on here? I know I have some friends that normally watch The Bachelor, The Bachelorette, The Bachelor in Paradise, you know, so on and so on. I think one of the new shows started tonight. Maybe my DVR recorded it. I'm not sure. Okay, and now we're going to cut this one out. Petal Pink. If I turn it that way, I might be able to get two out of this one. Okay, so now we'll put this away for a little while. Get all of our pieces back in here. Okay. Now, I want to get my Stampin' Trimmer out. And I'm going to take both of these. Now, later this week, I'm going to show you another one. Another way to do this bag that's not the traditional way. I'm only going to show you one tonight. I'm exhausted. Picking out granite. Whew. In fact, I had to come home and take a nap. It was not easy. Okay, I'm lining this up. This is the bottom of the bag, okay? And I'm lining that up at the 4-inch mark. So remember earlier when I told you you could just place the die up and not cut out all of your paper, but then you don't, it's not precise. So this is exact. We're cutting it at the 4-inch mark, I think. Now I want to look at my other one. Yeah, that's right. So that's how much we're cutting off, okay? I gotta get my trimmer back in the drawer here. Now, fold on your score lines on both of these pieces. And that's not that little stitch line. So don't get confused. That stitch line is not where you're folding it. So if you get overzealous, like I've done in the past, you could be folding it on the wrong spot. Okay, there's that one. Okay, now I'm going to get out my silicone craft sheet so that I don't get glue on my station. And I'm going to take my liquid glue and I'm going to start by placing my liquid glue on, whoa, that's a lot, on this piece right here. And then I'm going to pick it up because I knew that was going to happen. So I want to fold it before it dries because I don't want it I don't want it to go over the edge. Yeah, I stopped mid-sentence, didn't I? Okay, now we're going to do the other side. You want to attach the sides first before the bottom. That's the way I prefer it. Who knows what everybody else wants to do, but this is how I do it. Okay, so we're going to give that a second to dry. Okay. I feel like I'm doing surgery here. Now, we're going to turn this over. Decide now which side you like best, which one you want to be the front. Since I got glue on the back of that one a little bit, this is going to be my front. Plus, this pattern looks prettier than, I don't know, heck, they're about the same, aren't they? Anyway, this is my front. So then that means I want my glue to go on that section there. But first I'm going to add it to this piece here, these two little tabs. And I'm going to fold the back over. And then, ruh-roh. Yeah, okay. I didn't use my bone folder to burnish the score lines, so you might see some wonky stuff happening. I'm trying to get my bone folder out of my handy dandy cart. Okay. See, that's how it looks right now. Now we're going to take that bone folder again and we're going to just kind of curl our handles. And now we're going to set this aside for a minute and we're going to stamp. I'm using Mossy Meadow. And I'm going to stamp birthday first. On the happy, I want to make sure that the first P lines up over the H, just in case you want to know that. And I might better bring it closer to my head. Perfect, right? Yeah. Okay, so now we'll give that a second to dry because it's a darker color of ink and they take a little bit longer to dry. So now we'll go back to this and we're going to add our handles right there. Get my silicone thingy again. I'm adding them on the front side. You can add them on the inside if you want to. And for this project, technically you don't even have to add them, but this is Brookie's little bag. So when y'all see the finished thing, you'll understand why. Okay, that's good. Wait, hold on. I want to smush it a little. Now this side. In case you're wondering, this will hold a gift card, but I have another version of this to hold a gift card that I'm going to show you this week. I really am going to be stamping this week. The mask making has been retired. Okay. There goes the neighbor's dog. It's a little cattywampus, isn't it? It's the little handbag. Okay. Let's see. So we're going to cut this out with this, but we're going to make it smaller. So I'm going to get the Big Shot out again. Okay, so Big Shot, magnetic platform. So first we're going to line up this little arched area over the happy. Okay, Stanley, we hear you. Okay, so that's how it looks right now, but we're going to trim that down. So we're going to line this up ideally straight. Yeah, like that. I have another one to show y'all in a minute. This die is in that same pack of dies, so you get, look how neat that is. Like a little sign. Okay, all of our pieces. And we're going to use this beautiful petal pink organdy striped ribbon. I'm going to tie a little bow, or a big bow, not little. Did I do that right? Huh, let's start over. Those are the wrong ones. Here, I want these shorter ones. Okay, so this is going to get added with a glue dot. You could tie it around the handle, but my bows are better when I just add them like this. This bag is totally crooked. Okay, so now this is going to go on here like that. So I'm just going to turn it over and add my liquid glue. And then I'm going to add a Stampin' Dimensional on the back. Oh, goodness gracious, I slid it. There we go. Phew, that scared me. Dimensional. And then I'm going to take one of these champagne rhinestones. This color matches the petal pink perfectly. PPP. So I'm going to show y'all what I did wrong, because as you can see, my bag is a little wonky wonk. Okay, so it's going to go right there on the front. Let me squash that. Okay, so here's the little bag, and put a little crinkle paper, put a little, so Brooke loves, loves, loves tea. A little chapstick. A gift card will fit in there. Let me show you the one I made earlier. So that's how it sits. And look how, oh, I added a heart. So I don't remember what die set this is from, but I thought a heart would be perfect for Brookie today. And look, I cut this to measure 4 inches. This is not 4. Let's measure that real quick. So this one stands 2.5 inches tall, and this one stands 3. So I should have cut more off. Yeah. They're both cute though, right? Yeah. Okay, I got to show you another one. So as I was playing today, trying to figure out the greeting for this bag, because I knew I just wanted to keep it simple. Brooke will be so happy when she gets this. There's a gift card and a tea bag and some honey crystals. But here's another one that I did. So it's that same punch. Let me show you how to do it. So again, it's this one, and I'm going to grab a piece of paper real quick, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to use a bright color so that you can see it, because isn't that cute? This is the Stitch So Sweetly dies. Yeah, okay. So and it was gonna say happy 26, that's why I had that in the camera, but you know, I just decided to keep it elegant. She already knows her age. I'll put that on her little gift card thingy. Okay, so here's how it looks. You cut it out, and then you just flip it over and run it through again, and it gives you, so you can't do it like that because you run off the cardstock. So as long as you make sure you have it on the cardstock there at the edge, you get the perfect size to work with the rectangle, except you got to line it up right. There we go. I don't know, maybe I already have done this before. I just thought of it this morning when I was trying to make Brooke's card. Look at that. Isn't that so perfect? Huh, I'm so proud of myself. Let's see, are they the same size? Yeah, they're the same size. So you can take that little smallish stitched, yeah, rectangle. Okay, that wraps up this project. Don't forget to print the free inspiration sheet over on my blog, ChicnScratch. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, the link is in the description below. If you'd like to order any of the product I used today, please visit orderwithangie.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.